Bema, dientia me frewni.
Now, gentlemen, this is the reason I've called you.
Na akonya bi wo wabusua mu.
There used to be a certain stool in your family.
Eya didie.
It's a royal stool.
Ano obi ati akonya no. Asuma akonya no. Sensumai.
And there was somebody who occupied that stool and rendered worship to that stool.
Or sanctify akonya no.
The person sanctified the stool or sanctifies the stool.
Waya akonya ni ye ema akonya no eni kan abusua no etintimi abusua.
And the person dealt well with the spirit of the stool, and so the spirit of the stool was entertained to remain in the family.
Na no ma akonya honhom no da bia na n'aniche.
And it always brought pleasure to the spirit of the stool. And because of that, the fact that the spirit was entertained in the family, it always made a defense or protection for the members of the family. Now, after the death of that person,
treatment and any panadima nkonyan suma no nkonyan suma ni nyane se bio.
Now the treatment which that person gave to the spirit of the stool, that spirit is not getting that treatment after the death of the person.
When nkonya susum ani abusua honhom hyiae.
Hello, Abusiafo, ladies and gentlemen. I bring you greetings wherever you are. I want to believe by the grace of Jesus Christ, you are all doing well. Video ya media bremu ya very important to me, and I want to believe say so ya kaini na so ya Ghana ni Africa ni, especially Asantehene tisemia, we will be able to learn something out of this. Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah Sunday ye twemu ye during the administration no na nkrofo omuti animu hoyi ofre omu I think say bema no specifically all man of prophecy na ni nyina no ne say abusua ofre mu nkonya wo say abusua nim say na ni nana bi edi hene ana say bibi sa na nkonya ewom like the stools as we say it in Ghana and I say in our account culture. Na sa stools no spirits na control those stools no. Na dia na ohwe so ana say dia na oma nkonya no aduane no papa ya oti hoyi I think say ne grandfather no on tiasie no ntino omu pay attention to spirit na control stool no until the spirit wants to take somebody away to kill somebody and the spirit has chosen the man na oti ho no it spirit no ama ne yam niam say spirit no ama na kidney disease liver disease enomne enoma bebrebe ne yam niam nyina me fan say ya say ya nisa just to kill him. And Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah nyame bi enania ofre no a obema no this kind of prophecy no. Na the entire me say video we nyina ne say ya na mete especially our mention say obi bedi hene na say me fan say oye this year na oye Kristoni a na omo bon so bo no pese omo tu no free ade so ne nyina ne say o Kristoni ne say ongunsa enunte no na ye pese ye tu no free ade so na de omuta ka no mention ne say nananom samanfo na yegu nsan edemo omo eye oma wu dada omo na yegu nsan edemo omo. I have always held the opinion say enye nananom samanfo na yegu nsan edemo omo yegu nsan edema spirits any demons na ene awradin chade na Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah prophecy and as a vision or the man ewo papa ya otiwe ho that is going to confirm my long held belief say yede nsan eko nananom nkonyafie anase yede aduane eko ho no ma enye nananom samanfo a omawu ana yede aduane no koma omo yede koma spirits any demonic powers any entities a yemfa yani enhu ma omo control akonya no ewo spiritual realm omo na yede sai aduane no ede koma omo se wo koma hia ebi mu etimi ka se wo se wungu sade a ene ne fa akonya no to ho. As a matter of fact, Matisa se mo bi da cry free Opambour anum se obedi hene e wa Asantehene mu na se wontimi ngunsa e ma nananom samanfo dia fa akonya ne to na media da biaro se da meka no I have believed say ensa na yegu no enye nananom samanfo a omawuo na yegu edemo mu yegu demonic spirits because nananom samanfo me kan kire mo se omo pensanom na no krampo no media bi hu say ancestral abuse ada na mo sorry ana mo bompa ya de kire nananom samanfo se omumra emeboa mo mo sorry ana mo nsa anomabro na se nananom samanfo timi beboa nipa na se mo nsa no mo nom no mo bura ade nyansa no mo betimi anyade amaye ana se mo a mo consult wo mo no Neso enye nananom samanfo na ye sade ma we edimo mu na ansa na ye beko vision na Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah edima ye no moma menkyerɛ mo enema kakra bi atoda etimi koso menhyia ɛwɔ nea mefa sɛ opemso na aka anase ahemfo bi mu aka na de omo kanya ne sɛ obedi hene na wontimi ngu ensa emfa ma nananom samanfo anase wontimi enye aduane enko nkonyafie na ekombede nananom samanfo de a fa akonya ne to hɔ meanwhile no enye nananom samanfo na yeye aduane no ade mo yeye de demonic spirits etimo de mo yenko menhyia, and then I will give you some SFB and then you appreciate what I mean. And then after that, no, may the prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah vision and as a professional or my media no subeba. Now, message say if today is your first time visiting my channel, I would like you to subscribe to my channel, like my video, drop your comment. Now, if possible, so I share my phone so now you can there together. I know you will do it, so I want to thank you in advance. Thank you very much.
And Asantehene, or President idea, or this is better. Some of them no promotion, no vampire chase. I don't know what you mean. I just know.
Or never some bonsam or
Bonsam
man, Mamma Natiko. Oba.
So,
what chance we are? A better acquaint, yeah.
Sister Church today. Uncle baby, I went to a water. First one,
akonya kitwa bia ni baabi a wa wote so na ma akonya yekese eso abesum na be ma akonya
so ma wo
kuyi wa kuma musum wona nan mun konya ni ye no abeja o de o trampa you for bread ye no sunsun bi na di ja won ti wo so mu ye wate wo pen so wo sa bonsam wo sa ba efi na ka no awadwane
o se fi na no awadwane
aye omo yi musuboni bi ona ma na bufu ye
so musuboni wo ma de se bi wo kwa so
ye be chama na sa ba
so be chere ta tiri be su de adu bi ayo bi a be sa ba
obeba nso abehye mama wagina
so be sim na gina pe su na kama
na ye ni de wakan e di a chere se ye kunya no pra ye ni se wo bre abunya nanu ase fi se o se afei de okọ asori enti asori a okọ no so owura dem akogugu insan ne eyi bia ni pa obeye owu insan
o pacho enije e pe pacho bi enije udidi enu mo pan na ko ni aduani ni o se dabi we dey be sorry ka ko ni to e ko sorry se second chance say no ka sorry bro adarma e se mi ma na enije
na die kume kura na me kwa sorry ni e chi gogo e di ni ma what you asase no beton go galamfe so abeye aso ensago so agoi na me kwa so no beton mu da ben e beton mu kura wo kura mu da ben o pe ya ne na no madaro ma e ba se ewura ma ne nko no nko ada sore na de obeba ebe suma ko na de amamne ni amane na ya adwuma ya fa ma no
next time ko ba se o di asore e bi twa sante amane po a na ran mu ni o ba na so be di ne na wani aje ni go di ne na ohene na obedi no o ti ase
abusafo ntino semote se mutenia na opimso eka no se bi biche na dwene about Asante Kingdom ho a obompa ye kire the golden stool. Did you hear that? Also one kase obompa ye kire Abraham Nyankopon, Isaac Nyankopon, and also obompa ye kire Jesus Christ. O se obompa ye kire golden stool. Na golden stool no abeyi all the visions and ase revelations e dey kire no ada se vision and ase dayemu. Said a bear obehunu the way obesi aka asem no eno ntina me pese oti ase ne se de ntia omusi yengunsa ewo nkonwa no so ne se enye se nananom samanfo a omawu kro a ye wo nana me fan se na maame anase nananom na omawu kono na yegunsa edima omo enye omu a anase enye omu na ye no aduane edima omu no enye oma eye the spirits controlling those tools. The spirit Idrisa nkonwa no so no omu na yeye sa enuane ene insana yegu no omu na yegu edimomo. But I believe say it is time for them to tell us say nia yeye enye me fan say nananom samanfo na yeye edimomo yeye de ama abosomfo. They have to tell us. But omu say ye kan sa kire mu a monti ase eno nti no omu twa ye ntro say omu gu nsa de nananom samanfo ana say omu no aduane de nananom samanfo. It doesn't make sense. My videos be about that. If you check my YouTube page, many videos about that. na me san so kyerɛ mu ne ɛkɔɔ so ɛwɔ manhyia ɛna no bi I think sɛ ohwem hene ɔno na asɛmi ba hɔ ɛnyɛ ɔhene no mom na me support no because ohwɛ ɔhene no dwuma a odi a I think sɛ wɔnhyɛ da anya deɛ but nea na ɛkyerɛ mu adwene kakra ne sɛ ahemfo no a otumfoɔ ma kwan ma ɔmo so kyerɛ ɔmo adwene nyinaa no adeɛ ɛha ɔmo kɛse ne sɛ ɔse ongu nsa na sɛ ɔkɔ asɔre nti no ongu nsa ne nti no saa deɛ yɛntu no firi adeɛ so anaasɛ yɛntu no firi akonnwa so na obi a obɛtumi agu nsa no ɔno na yɛnkɔpɛ no na yɛmfa no ɛmɛdi adeɛ na ɔntumi nsom nananom nsamanfoɔ ɔne sɛ ɔmo san so ɛkasa a na ɔmo ka te sɛ nananom nsamanfoɔ nananom ɛnyɛ nananom o ɛyɛ demonic spirits. The spirit na control golden stool no ɛyɛ demonic spirit na no na ɔpem so sɛ ɔbɔ mpaeɛ ɛde kyerɛ no no awerɛhosɛm ne sɛ asɛm a meka yi ɛyɛ meya sɛ meka because meyɛ Asantehene obiara ni hɔ a obɛsi ne fie ntomago ɛwɔ abɔnten enti nea meka ɛyɛ meya nanso so asɛm deɛ nokora a ɛwɔ sɛ meka nea ɔtomfoɔ bɔ mpaeɛ de kyerɛ no no ɛyɛ the golden stool meaning sɛ golden stool no ɛyɛ nyame as far as many Asantefo are concerned and as far as Mensia and as Asantehene is concerned no, the golden stool no a God in the form of God they pray to the golden stool. It is a nyame pa the golden stool no emaya it is nyame be maya de say yemo pa enkyere sa adekro no eno ntina amanfo bebre no omo mpese e kristofo bebe akonya ho no omo mpese o kristoni oba na so say o me yede hie na mo me kristoni mintimi engu nsa omo fa akonya ne ma so no omo be sera ka say o nananom nsamanfo na omo hia nsa nti na say na akoma nananom nsamanfo duane di enye nananom nsamanfo a demonic spirit enti mo de mo mayenko na yenko tie ne prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah kan ye no and then after that I will give my comment. Thank you very much.
Who brought you here, gentlemen?
Whose sister?
He said his sister brought him to church.
Gentleman we ba.
It's a very good thing the gentleman came here today.
I didn't know be our enyemwa.
So how
be
is that
1,000, 500, 100?
Like, he runs a poultry.
Apostle.
Or he's got livestock in their hundreds.
Na opesu okuma bako pebi.
And he wants to kill one, let's say for food. There is a particular one he will target and say, this one, I will kill this one for myself. In that same manner, the spirits, evil spirits in charge of a family, when it descends into a family and it wants a sacrifice for itself, it will not choose all the members of the family.
Only one person.
It will choose just one person. Why? The spirit may not choose Kojo or Kwabena or Akwesi, but would like to choose Yao. Why? Now the same way a farmer will choose one of the birds he wants or the livestock he's taking care of. In that same manner, when a spirit comes into the family, it chooses what it wants, the person he wants. Now when you cast a hook into the river, you don't catch all the fish in the sea, you just catch one at a time. Now gentlemen, this is the reason I have called you. There used to be a certain stool in your family. It's a royal stool. And there was somebody who occupied that stool and rendered worship to that stool. The person sanctified the stool or sanctifies the stool. And the person dealt well with the spirit of the stool, and so the spirit of the stool was entertained to remain in the family. And it always brought pleasure to the spirit of the stool. And because of that, the fact that the spirit was entertained in the family, it always made a defense or protection for the members of the family. Now, after the death of that person,
treatment and nipa no de ma nkonya nsuma no. Nkonya nsuma ni nya ne se biem.
Now, the treatment which that person gave to the spirit of the stool, that spirit is not getting that treatment after the death of the person.
When nkonya sunsum ene abusua honhom hyiae.
And so the spirits of the stool convened a meeting with some members of the family spiritually. And the spirit furiously accused the family and said, "Why have you deserted me now?" So the family rendered an apology.
Because
the spirit had decided that it would have terminated the lives of several men and even women in the family. So they rendered an apology. And the apology was accepted. But with a condition. And the condition was that the spirit made a demand for a sacrifice of a ram in a metaphoric sense, a ram to appease and placate itself. Now, the way Ahinkan took care of us, that is not the manner you are taking care of us now. And so I saw that they selected 6 men in the family and brought the men before the spirit of the stool. Now the eye of the spirit did not caught no one else but this gentleman. And he gave an instruction that bind him until the day I give you a further instruction to kill him. So immediately, spiritually, they held him bound. They fettered him. Now I'm talking about something in the spiritual realm. You didn't just get sick.
Hospital bed
and you were not on admission at a hospital for no reason. You did not get 9 deaths for no reason. You did not get to the brink of death for nothing. All these things are symptoms and signs of the bondage under which you are. Now this year, in the rainy season, the spirits have convened and decided they would terminate your life in this year and in the rainy season. As for this, they wouldn't cause you to be sick and bedridden. The spirit of death will pounce on you all of a sudden when it will pounce on you unawares. Yes, one morning you wake up, you take your bath, you comb your hair, you dress nicely, and you are getting ready to get out from your room. That is when you would go off. By the time people come to rescue you or help you, and so they'll carry your dead body, put it in a car, and drive to the mortuary. By the time you reach the hospital, doctors will declare you dead on arrival. Now this is the attack the enemy is launching. Now it is not that we just prophesy about death, but what evil spirits have planned concerning the lives of men. That is what the grace of God reveals to the prophet, so that he will deliver, the Lord will deliver the victims of the enemy. There is a certain spirit whose habitation is in a water body at Kokofu. And that spirit was having a conversation, some communication with a multitude of people. And they said that in this rainy season, Take his life from him.
Yes,
You have already held him bound. Bring him to me. You destroyed his kidney and his liver. Now bring him and I will tear his heart off. You touched certain organs in his stomach or certain organs in his body. Bring him now and I will tear his heart. And they loosed this gentleman from a certain room at Bekwai in a certain house. And I saw that they entered Kokofu. And I saw that they went beside a certain stream or water body. And I saw a demon that came out from the stream. That demon was black. It wore a batakari. And it had a spear or an arrow. And there was a gourd around his shoulders. And there were serpents around his neck. And the hair on his head were in locks. And there were 2 horns on his head. It was that spirit that was going to tear the heart. And the Lord asked me whether I've seen what's going on. I answered to the Lord and said, my Lord and my good Savior. And the Lord said that though you have seen it, I am ministering deliverance unto my servant. I will not allow him to die. And through my grace, I will rescue him. And the Lord told me, tell him this mystery. And now that he's coming out of the attack of death, charge him to stay at my feet always. And let him love I, the Lord Jesus, Emmanuel. Let him devote his entire life me, because I am the one who has rescued him. And I am the only one that can help him. And I'm the only one that can cause him to prosper. And I'm the only one that can let him have long life. And so the Lord spoke to me to call you. Because he has demonstrated this gargantuan love to you. They have taken there is a plot against your life in Kokofu. The stools, the royal stools in your family are linked to idols, or in other words, they are themselves spirits of idols. Who is he to you?
Cousin.
She said her cousin. Has he been here before?
How many times?
How many times has he been here?
Like about 20 times. Several.
Okay, now
is there chieftaincy in the family?
Like a kunya.
But the meaning is me papa. No, or conform to Garia Kunya.
Oh papa, no Garia Kunya. Oh papa.
That's me na.
No Garia Kunya. Sana te. I want him for.
Oh, be quiet. Manson upon.
Be quiet. Manson upon. Pacho, ufre him for.
Where do you come from, sir?
Papa and me fee be quiet.
Oh papa free be quiet.
And I remember my side if he jabbing.
Oh, then not just papa side. Eh, your papa and I know mu Garia Kunya no. Oh papa. Oh no mu free be quiet. Be quiet.
He said,
prophecy in be quiet be mu. And a Kokofu be mu. Good. No mu hwa Kunya ni yi. Na oh papa no, ona na ohwa Kunya no so. No Garia Kunya no. Na o ma me papa so na Kunya wo mabusu. Na didie wo ho. Na just a combination. Na just a hardie and a hardie team up. And
if he had not come here today, if he had not come here today,
if he
had not come here today, please let this place be your home. God has a purpose for you. You will be greater than what you are seeing now.
Good news.
The good news I have for you is this. This deliverance came for your sake. I saw the presence of God descending.
The
presence was beautiful.
esane te se ehan.
He descended in the presence descended like light.
Ehan no efe untimi nhwe efe.
And the brightness was nice. You could not behold it.
Ehan no ese enipa.
Now the brightness or the light was in a form of a human being.
Na eye strong.
And it was strong.
Me se abawura bekwai kokofu.
I saw that the presence of God went to Bekwai Kokofu. And then he rebuked that spirit who inhabits that water body. And I saw that the spirit was weak and frail. And the spirits fell down. And I saw the brightness, that light, which was in the form of a human being, entered a certain house at Bekwai. I saw this gentleman who had been bound. I saw that the presence of the Lord, which was like light, loosed this man. And presence no strength. And I saw that because of the strength of the presence, that building came down. And I saw that the presence entered here. And then he fixed this man's spirit back into him. And I saw that the presence went through you. And the Lord said to me that he has ministered deliverance to him. You're not going to die, he said. You're not going to die. You're not going to die. What church do you fellowship at?
Apostolic Church of Ghana.
Apostolic Church of Ghana.
He said Apostolic Church.
I'm not
asking you to stop your church. All I'm asking you is that you must come here very frequently. Because the tree of your life, the tree of your deliverance. All the organs in your body that was going bad, that was failing. Everything. Your heart, your liver, your kidney, your colon.
Abusianfo safi de mohu asmina na meka no se so hear vision and say the prophetic revelation of prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah edema abranche ya otiho ya senye nyame na ba mu na abranche free mu a doctor beka say eye kidney anase ne liver anase ne die anase ne die enso so no na obekom no na the actual reason tia e man wu ye no ne say there is a God a control stool woni krom. Na sa God na a control sa stool no ono na open the peku no no nti amana kum sa abrante yi enso so ekwan be na obetima fa so na etima pie physical say on say demonic spirit no omu ye bibi spiritual wi a omu asese omu pekwan bi so ema no epie physical and say they can attack your liver, they can attack your kidney, they can attack your lungs, they can attack your heart. Baby be asese omu attack your intestines enom ni ade. Maybe as I omo attack na de omaye no spiritually no e pie physical no na eno so omaye na say wo ewo physical na akwa say heart attack and I say liver failure and I say kidney failure and I say bibisa and so na a demonic spirit and eno ntina saa de ma we ntina omo pese a Christopher ebeba bedi me fan say akonwa no because a Christo ni ba bedi akonwa na Isa said who day make a Christoni papa and you'll be our asori koni. Once here were asori koni any o Christoni ni dear wafa Jesus Christ and the cry any na jinkwa and I said the cry jinkwa add unyame home etinimu. Sadi pano demonic spirit ain't me and control no. Ena sebia se woni muso a me catch you say ye ni pano ye boy demonic spirits more than say demonic spirits boy. Let me give you an example. In yuanene and namni moja na yitwa egu edima demonic spirits no. Eno na mo meduane ma omo ye dene. Inti ye mo na ye bo omuma omo ye dene. Say ya ma demonic spirits no aduane entwa moja engu amfa mo ma. They are not strong. And that's why we are demonic spirits. They need us more than we need them. Yes, they really need us. Inti wo de wa dwene ebe kire o say omuna ema to me. Eba de say na say ukọ me fan say shrine bi ana say bosom bi ana say dunsini bi ho say ukọpẹ emoa ana say edro bi a otimi ka say fadi pabra because enipa no tumi ewo yemu nyame boy no nyame de tumi ahye nipam so what de make no nyame o de tumi ahye nipam enipa nsa nipa nan nipa trinwi enipa baabi enipa hene nipa so nipa ni enipa hene enipa tekrema enipa se ni nyina tumi ewo Intino, Sawoko demonic spirit or the demonic spirit no kasa fenipa bi bibra and I say fenipa nkwa ebra na o de kwa wo mom na wo me demonic spirit to me demonic spirit no oni to me bia enko betimi de enya mfa upper hand e wo nipa so de mom nipa de ma demonic spirit to me soma ho but ye no ye de mutia etu de so ye Asantehene a mame ma sa example we eba de say na ye be kokon asantefo ye de nchirafo eba be kokon na kofa no che say aje say ye sacrifice edipa ansa na for the spirit no etima boaye aditia say spirit no betima boaye ade na spirit no emboaye ade na etwa say ye sacrifice edipa ade edipa no so yan sacrifice any ordinary people ade here anasa abrempon no mu before say etitire at that time na omu if the to me anasa omumu edu no amahene fo no ono na everyday konfanoche ema ye sacrifice omu because nipa to me ewe yemu enti wadwene be say oko bosom ho ama bosom no ama to me no we say wo mum na wo ko akwakwa bo bosom no eno ti na wo ko na bosom no waje wade panyina ade papa ode ko ye edimonyam enum ni ade na motia fo no anase motia spirit no agi sade mani nyina because they need you the human being more than you the human being you need them but we don't know we are so ignorant ade na bosom ayira opemso mi ankasa mi na Asantehene eno ko ade eno ne eneme bi ho ma e Asantehene ho a etoda ya na medwene ho a na ya na ayamo kwa edu Sunday so bidia na wakwa asori o ezo so he wase obompa ye kire golden stool obompa ye kire Abraham Nyankopon na menu miru nyina obompa ye kire no itie ne ne okwa asori dem ekoye dai okwa asori dem ekoye dai se bibi kire wadwene ewa Asantemem na untimi obompa ye kire Abraham Nyankopon a oba osoro ne asase na obompa ye kire golden stool dia ene okwa asori akwa dai ura asori dem akwa dai na se obi bosom de bonsam na bonsam no ayira o se obesan ye niema ama sa ohene foforo na ye de ba besi akonya so no o se obeye niema ama no ama sa bonsam spirit na control sa stool na e wasa krom ho no oyira ye no obetima ye niema ama sa spirit no asa babiem. Can you just imagine it is a spirit no to me so obetimi aba ade na oma agi se nipa sacrifice bibi e de mano ansa na wetimi age to me the bibi kro na ye be sacrifice de mano no obekwa kohwem no na ye moja are se odwan anane ntwi se nka first na de ka be nipa by de no okuni pa na te police so ma police ebecho eno nti no se se omu de akoye dwan enom ni ade entigi se utwa odwan mano e ma ne no moja no e ma spirit no nya ho de ansa na spirit no etima sa babiem wa gasa sadi we odwene ho a etise eno nti no se obiti ho na obisa se adan na BluntGhana entimi endevelop asofofo na ema oman no endevelop kristofo na ema oman no endevelop a fa sa video we efa kire no se demonic spirit a control stool na stool na ohene no etiso no demonic spirit na control sa stool na ohene no office adwene papa be pa na obetimi adwene ebeye me fa se mpuntu adwene a ebetimi de aboa oman no suma ho no adwene papa be enti these are all some of the things na ye na no na omu ya Asantefo na omu kan Bible na omu tie jamia sam no omu to abosomosom ne goyi 100 years ago ye na no na omu a Christopher first ewo Asantehene ha no they were not stupid omu tie Bible mu asem na omu tie jamisam no omu to abosomosom ne nyina goyi eto enuro sam ne nyina goyi efa Bible eno te ne nei ase omu be omu shara no so Asantehene ha nemom okosirima obo na amanfo de niema asensen omu asere na bi sensen omu nsaso no omu nai ebobo omu nai ne omu kon ho. It is all because of say Asantefo ye to ye de egui esirimfo de omu de da so ho because esirimfo no dudu na ye Kristofo oko Masarachi and so for the spirit no another bansere no ebonasere etuo no ehye ho on say Islam no there is no power over demonic spirit because semisro na meka Islam eni na me fan say sa akonfosom no ekwan bi so no they have a lot of similarities, they have a lot of things in common, but only in Christianity and say oba yamisi san wakoma nature say abosonsem ni na oyede otugu sumahu and they don't want Christians to become kings. They don't want true Christians say I'm a Christian, I will not sacrifice to idols because we don't sacrifice to the ancestors, and your ancestors no and you sacrifice more you sacrifice demonic spirits no adena omun country because omunim say ye ka kire ya ya adwene besesa enti no the devil has deceived most of us to think say ye sacrifice ya ye de man nanom ye de aduane kosi enkonyafi a ye de man nanom enye nanom ye de ma demonic spirits a omu control stools ene enkonya ewo Asantehene mu ene akanma mu ha eno ti omu ma oman no entimi nkoso no ayesa stools no ene demonic spirits no e control adenti ene sese ebasa etimi yesa video we say me de bebie amanfo ani especially so Asantehene now this video here I want to believe say it can tell you something eno ti ade bia no there is a spiritual explanation ade bia ekoso ewo life mo no and as much as ewo physical explanation no essence was spiritual explanation papa yi oyare said the prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah no oyare wako hospital the yem nyina asai anase esai then so onim say eyesa demonic spirit na he control the stool of his hometown no eno na eye de sa no onim doctors make say your liver your kidney your intestines then so say okomiye pa spiritual reason ti na ema de basa no eno ti na ye nyina no ye dwane abeto Jesus Christ no eno ti na ya fa Jesus Christ ye kra aje kwa no nti enei amanfo bi pese omu kire say let us go back to our ancestors religion, our ancestors tradition na yenkosom abosom ye na nanom na omu ja abosom som no they were not stupid na omu nim de na omu ye enti na omu ja ye asedanka Jesus Christ ene the gospel no say ene yehu enokre no unyami amahan no apie eti sumbia adwane akokwa akote eno ti no we will serve the Lord Jesus Christ. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. They said, Joshua Kaino. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. So yes, Asantehene now so dear, we will come back to the traditional ancestral worship now. You are free to go. You can go. But as for me and my house, we will serve the Lord Jesus Christ. I want to believe say you have been blessed. Just another first time over my channel so kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, drop your comment. Now after you share me be together. I don't know Nyamishra prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah and all the genuine men of God are more Ghana nyina ready shira mu nyina. But me say video yi ayi shira e de amount. Nyamishra say oje bre e de share video yi. Thank you very much.
Yes, you have already held him bound. Bring him to me.
Sa mo say ni kidney sa mo kan ne brebo
you destroy his kidney and his liver. Now bring him and I will tear his heart off.
Sa mo kan ne yefunu mu niema momra na mentina koma.
You touched certain organs in his stomach or certain organs in his body. Bring him now and I will tear his heart.
No masani abrantie
and they loosed this gentleman
every edan bi mu
from a certain room